What's going on, everybody? It's Charlize Walker of Lisa's Business Enterprise here with a Thursday nonprofit knowledge tip. So, the question is, we'll get right into it here. What is gross receipts? If you remember from last week's, or I'll probably post a video somewhere here or tag it, that I talked about filing the Form 990. But in order to file Form 990, what you need to know what the gross receipts are, right? So the gross receipts are going to determine the 990 form that you will file. But a lot of times, new nonprofits, if you depending on how much you made, you probably won't file a loan form or the actual form that needs to be filled out. And I kind of talked about that in the last video I did. But I do want to encourage you, if you have your nonprofit and someone is helping you or you're paying somebody, please be a part of that process. I'm a strong and firm believer of being a part of the process so you can get an understanding of it. I know it's some people out there to say, I don't want to do it myself. I understand, but please be a part of the process. Have someone, if they're doing your form, if you have to do a long form, if you have to send it in, have them engage with you so you can understand. I'm a strong believer of that because I worked in the corporate world, and a lot of times, I'm not saying all of them, but a lot of the senior level, they don't know what's going on the lower level either, but they have someone else. So that's something for your new nonprofit leaders out there. But gross receipts, according to the IRS, and you can go to their website, is the total amount the organization received from all sources during its annual accounting period without subtracting any costs or expenses. That's their definition. Basically, it's the amount of money that you receive from all resources. So think about it. If you got any grants, if you got any people that individual contributions, or if you got a corporate contribution, or if you did a fundraiser, if you anything like professional career development services, we do restaurant fundraisers. They send us a check at the end, or anything similar that brought in money. So, brought in income into the business that way. And other things we do consider, especially with my organization, we do have fees for service. So that is bringing in the income into the business. So all money raised from all sources of income coming in. So, and this is without subtracting any costs or any expenses. So just all the income that you're including here. And so if your organization gross receipts are normally less than 50 or 50,000 and less, you can file a 990E postcard and you're considered a small organization. But if it's greater than, you'll probably file a form 990 or 990EZ. So it depends. I always encourage you to go to the IRS website, the non-exempt, or the exempt, I should say, the exempt section of the IRS, and they have videos, they have workshops and everything that you can look at and peruse. Don't take my word for it. Go right to the big people, the IRS. Go right in there. You'll see it. So, and they have some great resources as well. So if you go to my website at lisasbusiness.com, I do have some free reads, and also you can sign up for my startup nonprofit consultations, and I also can do some one-on-ones. I've been in nonprofit leadership for over 10 years, so we can throw around some ideas together, help us learn together. All right. So thank you for watching. Until next time.